Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm on the Lowe's website. These are some of the December deals going on. Now, to be honest, a lot of these are going on through the end of January. Like you can see this one here. It says ends January 2nd. So go ahead and enjoy your time with Christmas with family and just keep in mind this video for afterwards and you can go to Lowe's and shop some of these deals or online. Now, this is a bestseller. It says 5,000 were bought in the last week. This is a DeWalt 20 volt max half-inch keyless brushless cordless drill. It comes with one battery, charger, and a soft bag as well. Now this is $99. You're going to be saving $60. Has 4.7 stars and is one of their best sellers. Next, this is a Utilitech, just an outdoor extension cord. It's a 15-foot cord. $3 off. It was $12.88. It's now $9. Now next up here we've got from DeWalt. This is a tough grip screwdriver bit set. 110-piece set is $25. It was $34. So you're saving $9. This is good through January 31st. So you've got that whole month of January you can shop here. Now this is a bestseller. It says 10,000 have bought in the last week. So a lot of gifts probably going out and fairly decent deal on this one. I'm going to kind of zoom up so you can see all that you're getting here. There's just a ton of different screwdriver bits, 110 pieces. And this is a DeWalt bestseller again. It's a 1/4-inch brushless cordless impact driver. It comes with the battery, charger, and the soft bag. You're saving $60. This is $99. It was $159. And this one you're getting the 1/4-inch impact driver, 2 amp hour battery, charger, and the contractor bag. And this one you're saving $60, 4.7 stars as well. And guys, go ahead and leave a like on this video or leave a comment if there's something that you want to pick up, or do you just think these are continuation of Black Friday deals even. Now this is a Craftsman 20 volt lithium power tool battery kit. It's a 4 amp hour kit for $79. You're saving $60 on this one. This is good through January 22nd. It's saying 100 have bought this last week, so not a ton, but this is going to be the battery and the charger. Now you can either choose between the battery and the charger or the 2 batteries. This is for $79, where you're getting the 2 4 amp hour batteries from Craftsman. And this one you're saving $70 and only paying $79. Now they also have some deals on some refrigerators. This is a Whirlpool refrigerator. It says it's trending at 1,000 people have bought last week. It's not even showing me the price. It's saying I have to sign in. Now I really love these. These are the Project Source Commander large 27-gallon totes. It's a black heavy-duty tote with a standard snap lid. This is 4.6 stars. It's $9. Only saving $1 on these, but I really like these because you can stack these like 4 or 5 high, and it's not going to really harm the bottom one. Even if you have a lot packed in them, and if you don't have a lot packed, you can still maybe 4 to 6 high. But this is what they look like here. These are really, we had some for over a decade that we still use. And I think it said over 50,000 have bought recently. Now this is another bestseller from DeWalt. It's a 14-piece assorted black and gold coated HSS jobber twist drill bit set. Really high ratings on this one at 4.7 stars. You're saving $6 and this ends January 1st. So this is kind of a deal that's not as long lasting, but who knows, they may bump it back down after that point. So we'll see. Over 10,000 it says has bought this last week. And then you have the special drill bits. At the very end, they've got that split point, so you're not going to get walking. It's going to just go straight into the wood. Craftsman has this 20 volt max 6-tool power tool combo kit with soft case. Now this does include the 2 batteries and charger as well, which is nice. So this is $199, was $299, so you're saving $100 on this one. And you've got till January 22nd to get this deal. It says over 1,000 people have bought last week. And you're getting everything pictured here. The 2 drill drivers, reciprocating saw, cutoff tool, circular saw light, 2 batteries, charger, as well as the contractor bag. And then they've got this 15 amp 2 outlet countdown analog lighting timer. So you can just hook your lights up to maybe something to pick up for next year when you're doing Christmas lights. At this point, you'd probably already had your lights up since it's December 23rd, but a nice little pickup, $3 savings. Now this is from DeWalt. It's a tough case. Comes with the bimetal wood demolition reciprocating saw blades. It's a 16-pack, highly rated at 4.7 stars. It's $19, so you're getting $5 off here. Over 5,000 were bought in the last week. This is one of their best sellers. And what I'm a fan here is you're also getting the hard case. And for whatever reason, I didn't have the foldable pack for like years, and I would just have blades in my toolbox, which is not a good idea if you're looking through your toolbox. You are going to cut yourself, like I have in the past. But this is a 16 blade kit, comes with a little holder, which is really nice. Now from Cobalt, you're getting this 24-volt 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit with a soft case. It includes one battery and a charger. And this looks like you're getting the impact driver and the drill driver, as well as the charger. It's an 85-watt charger in the storage bag here. It's $149, so you're saving $50. And this is good through January 22nd. So you've got most of the month of January to pick this deal up. Don't have to worry about it through the end of December. Now from DeWalt, you're getting this Flex Torque Impact Ready Impact Driver Bit kit. It's a 100-piece kit. It's a bestseller. They've sold over 5,000. And I'm just doing a close-up here so you can see all the bits that you're getting. It's $34. Nothing crazy. You're saving $5 on this. It was $39. And this is good through January 1st. So here you're getting the nut driver, socket adapter, magnetic screw lock sleeve. Another one from Craftsman. This one's smaller though, at 47 pieces. It's $9. You're saving $3. This is good through January 1st. At 4.8 stars with over 5,000 bought in the last week. So not a bad pickup. I think the lowest price I've seen on this one was like 8 something. That was probably around Black Friday, but this is still not bad. You got the socket adapters, nut drivers, and then the magnetic tip holder as well. Now from Cobalt, you're getting this 297 piece standard SAE and metric polished chrome mechanic tool set with hard case. This is $99. You're saving $50. This is good through near the end of January, January 22nd. And they've got a few in stock at our location. This is one of the trays here. You're getting the sockets and the hex tools. And then I like it because it has the little pull-out drawers with the different socket heads. So not bad. You get the multi-tool up near the top, and everything it looks like has a nice place in it too. Only 4.2 stars, which is a little weird. Now this is the giant, or the little giant ladder. It's a foldable ladder, and this is one of those telescoping multi-position ladders. So you can kind of use it as one of these 8 ladders here. That can reach about 9 feet, I believe, and 14 feet, I want to say, if you extend it all the way. So you're saving $74 here. And this is the different looks that you can use it with. So at the least, you can do 7 feet up to 14 feet if you kind of bring it around and it locks in position to that longer type ladder. But highly rated, 4.8 stars, and I think it's at over 5,000 sold. Now this is from Craftsman. This is a 6-gallon portable electric 150 PSI pancake air compressor. $99, you're saving $70. This is good through January 20th. And they're saying that 5,000 were bought in the last week. And they're sporting their large regulator knob, 2 couplers on this, and then a nice sturdy handle. And that's pretty well rated at 4.5 stars, it looks like. Now next from Spider is a Stinger 6-piece by 6-inch wood boring spade drill bit set. Pretty highly rated at 4.5 stars. This is now $8. Saving $6, but it was $14 originally, so you're getting a pretty good savings percentage-wise on this. Now these are nice. It says 1,000 were bought in the last week, and you can see the tip here. They've got those raised edges. It says a non-clogging tip and no thrust drilling. Next, we've got from Cobalt this 24-volt half-inch keyless brushless cordless drill. It has 1 battery, charger, and a soft bag, which are included, and that's $79. Now next from Craftsman is this VersaStack 230-piece standard SAE and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set with the hard case. Now this is $99, so you're saving about 50% here. It was $199, so you're getting $100 off. This is good through the end of January, so January 22nd. And this is one of their best sellers. They're saying 5,000 were bought this last week. You're getting everything here. I'm kind of just shooting up a little bit, or zooming in, I mean. You get the bit driver specialty bits, and then the socket adapter with the different hex keys. And of course, it's got the 3 drawers that come out here. And you can see it more close up here as well. So next up, we have the Spider 7 1/4 inch 24 tooth tungsten carbide tip steel circular saw blade. It's $8.98. You're saving just $1 here. But this is trending, and it says 1,000 were bought in the last week. So it must be doing pretty decently. It's 4.4 stars out of 5. And then from Metabo is this HPT 2.5 inch 16 gauge pneumatic straight finish nailer. $99, you're saving $70. Now from Cobalt is this 24-volt half-inch keyless brushless cordless drill. You're getting one battery, charger, and a hard case, which are included. You're saving $70 on this. So it was $169. You'll be getting this for $99. Now go ahead and like this video, guys. If you made it this far, it does help the algorithm. Now from Metabo, you got this HPT 18-volt 1/4 inch brushless cordless impact driver. Comes with the battery and charger as well as the soft bag. So this is $79. You're saving $70, and this is actually good through February 3rd. And it's pretty highly rated. 4.8 stars. It says only 100 have bought this last week, but I wonder if that's just because it's the new deal. Now from Craftsman, you're getting this RP 3-inch 20-volt max trigger switch cordless cutoff tool. Now this is only the tool. Just keep that in mind. For $99, I think you're saving $20. Now this is a Werner aluminum standing platform, 250-pound capacity. It looks like it's 1.7 feet off the ground. $40, you're saving $50. This would be good if you're doing like painting or just something that's nice to have around the house. I could definitely see it used if you're painting and you don't need a huge stool. Say you're pretty tall already, you just need something a little bit extra. That could be it. That's what you need. Now for $249, you're saving $50 on this Blackstone Ligero tabletop stainless steel hearth liquid propane outdoor pizza oven. This is a nice little oven here. It could be a nice Christmas gift as well. Now next we have this Metabo HPT multi-volt 2-inch 18-gauge cordless brad nailer. It does include the battery and the charger. $149, you're saving about $50 here. This is good through February 3rd. It says it's one of their best sellers now with 1,000 bought this last week. Now from Craftsman is this portable 12-volt air inflator. It has a power source as well, so you can use it to charge your phone or whatever you need to. It comes with a light as well, which is standard with these. It says it's one of their best sellers. You're saving $20. It was $49. It's now $29. Now from Craftsman is a 61-piece standard SAN metric polished Crom Mechanics tool set with hard case. I can't speak. $39. You're saving $20 here. 4.6 stars. It says 5K were bought last week. So this is a fairly popular tool. And what I like, near the top, you have 2 extra little areas where you have the little hex and screwdriver bits you can put in there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and check out this next video that's tagged.